September 2nd, 2021. My name is Joe, and I'm an alcoholic, among other things. And this is 95 days later. 95 days of sobriety. Just going to keep it brief because it feels like I haven't slept for 95 days. I'm maybe getting 95 minutes of sleep every night. And it finally kind of caught up with me today. Because you can't do the kind of dieting that I do and not at least get sleep. It's not a good thing. And I got to keep a sharp mind with my job because with my job, you got to turn into Detective Columbo. And I'm literally a Batman level detective. No shit. Yeah, I'm that good. But still sober. No cravings. I do notice towards the weekend, I become like Mr. Pissy Pants. And, you know, I did my drinking over the weekends. So, and man, did I do my drinking over the weekends. And I must have really conditioned myself that when the weekend approaches, it's like fucking Larry Talbot from The Werewolf, you know, begging, you know, Lucas Stella, chain me up. You don't understand. Chain me up. The moon's going to come up tonight. It's like a fucking full moon, you know? Now, a lot of people think an alcoholic is someone who's drinking constantly. That's true. But an alcoholic is someone who also can't just have a drink, you know, social and just, yeah, I'm going to have one drink and enjoy a drink together. I don't do that. If you open the bottle, we've entered a commitment together. We're all in. We're getting fucking drunk. That's like people will go out on a Sunday drive to, you know, a nice slow drive around and look at the scenery. No, we're getting in the car. We're going to see how fucking fast this car could go. And we're going to put the engine to the limits. And my engine was put to its limits. So, yeah, I met a therapist years ago. She's like, you know, you're an alcoholic. And I said, how the hell can I be an alcoholic? I don't drink every night. She goes, you know, because you can't have a drink. You can't have a drink without, and she was right. I can't have a drink. That bottle's going. We're having a party. There's no, what, a drink? No, let's keep going. We're having fun. Keep going. Drink. Like a fucking, like we're in Asgard. More mead. We drink and party. Sing songs of debauchery. More wine. More vodka. More tequila. My shit was tequila. Tequila, vodka. You know how you know you have a drinking problem? When you go to that place where you buy that alcohol and they've given you the nickname of what you're buying. Like years ago, I was known as Mr. Molson because I would drink a case of Molson Ice every night. And then another place knew me as Mr. Old English because I would get 5 or 6 of those 40 ounces and I was drinking that every night. So here's a tip. If you are going to purchase alcohol somewhere and their name for you is what's on the label of what you're buying, you've got a fucking problem. You got a little problem. You know. Shit. So, yeah. I was like fucking zombie dead before, but I just had my consultation. That's the first step to finding the official shrink that's gonna. And the funny thing is, the consultation is supposed to be 20 minutes, and mine was over 40 minutes. And you could tell. And I even said to the person, I said, "These are supposed to be 20 minutes, but we've gone 40 minutes. I'm an interesting person." And she started laughing, you know. And she's asking me, "So what about this?" Another one there. Now I do have to ask you: are you suicidal or homicidal? No, suicide never, because I'm a stubborn motherfucker, and I don't give up the game. If I don't fucking win, To me, winning is getting to the end and thumbing my nose at God saying, I never gave up. I didn't fucking win, but put that on my grave. Motherfucking never gave up. And to me, that's trophy enough that you'll never see because you're dead. And also, I was telling this to the lady. I worked at that church for 10 years. I was a volunteer and I worked there. And you don't know the fucking heartbreaking devastation that suicide causes until you see that church packed with people just emotionally wrecked with that question, why? And there's that coffin in the front. And unfortunately, that person doesn't know, can't tell. All that love that they had, that's every ass in the seat packed and standing sometimes. I've seen teenagers in coffins wheeled down that fucking aisle. I saw a father of twins, and one of the twins found him swinging from his fucking neck. I don't give up like that. And I'm not homicidal. I don't want to hurt people. Now, I will say, if I did have me a infinity gauntlet or two, I'd snap that shit back and forth and 2 snaps and a Z. But in all seriousness, gaping hole in my chest aside, no sleep, beyond exhaustion, I'm still the best agent they got at work. Making people laugh. I love doing that. And I had the lady on the phone laughing just now. I was talking to a guy in Hawaii today. He had called last night and the credit card wasn't working. So I said, send me a message when to call you and we'll complete the payment. So he's like, he sends me a message. Then he sends me another email. Joe, I fucked up the time difference between your time and mine. Can you call my side? I call him up and I said, what are you doing, Mark? What'd you do today? Did you do any fun Hawaiian stuff? Did you go wrestle a great white and knock some teeth out for me? And he's like, yeah, I'm stringing the teeth onto a necklace for you now. And I was like, then at the end of the call, he's a nice guy. I had him laughing. And then I do my sales pitch. I said, well, look, the most beautiful thing is going to happen in the next 24 to 48 hours. You're going to get an opportunity to tell the entire world how fucking awesome I was. But I can't say the word fucking. I mean, I could technically, I know how to work it, the phone system, but I don't do that because it's not the job, and I do the job right. That's why I'm the best. I'm the best there is at what I do. And what I do is killing. Right, Wolverine? So I was like, what are you doing this weekend, Mark? You going to be doing any exciting Hawaiian stuff? And he's like, no, I'm going to be, I got a 4-year-old. So I'm going to be jumping around like a 4-year-old. So he almost sounded sad when he said that he's going to be spending time with his 4-year-old. And I'm like, so I was like, no, I said, you got a 4-year-old blessing. That's what you got. Now you go be a blessing to that 4-year-old. And that's how I ended the call. Don't be one of those people that don't know what you got until it's gone. Then you hear that Cinderella song in your head for the rest of your fucking life. I'm hearing that Cinderella fucking song in my head this week. Don't be that. And now I stopped this for a recipe video. I have videos that I'm going to drop into this. Okay, now this is hot out of the oven. Let me explain what this is, and I'm going to give the actual units of measure. This is 2 pounds of organic beef, browned, seasoned. It's 2 bags of sliced mushrooms, 2 cans of artichoke hearts, and here's where I get really technical. Well, it's a dozen eggs. Then you have a big ass bag of riced cauliflower, Then there's a fuck ton of mozzarella, a fuck ton of sharp cheddar, a fuck ton of grated cheese, bacon, crumbled up, freshly cooked, crumbled up bacon, all mixed up, put into this, baked for an hour at 350. Yeah. And for those of you scoffing, fuck ton is a valid unit of measure. And then when we get back, how long have I been recording? It doesn't even tell me how long I'm going. So tomorrow's Friday, then there's a 3-day weekend. I deactivated my Twitch accounts today. I'm staying away from Twitch. So there's me and social media right now aren't very interactive. Except for I have a group on Facebook that I've had for a long time called Go to St. Joseph in honor of my patron saint, St. Joseph. I spread devotion to him. I've just broken over 2,000 people. So I posted there every day because people need that inspiration. Even when I wasn't feeling it, I kept posting to that. Because even though I wasn't feeling it, maybe someone else was getting something from it. And if I'm not wasn't being nourished, but I still had the chance to nourish someone else, I was going to do that. Because to not do that to me would be terrible. And so yeah, I'm hoping I get some sleep tonight, because it's like I feel like I could sleep for fucking 20 years right now, but then the minute I lay down, it's like mother, I want to go to fucking sleep. I'll even start praying, Lord, please, can I get some sleep tonight? God, let me have some sleep tonight. And then I'll get a couple of hours, and then I'm up. And then but every single time when it's time to get up, that's when I can keep sleeping. I'm not a person who could work. I work from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. 5 days a week. That's not my schedule. I'm a fucking vampire. My mother was like that. My brother was like that. My father worked normal. My father was disciplined. But my going to sleep time is like 5 a.m. Like I go to sleep, okay, the sun's coming up. I don't want to see that fucking thing. Let me go to bed. That's, and I've been doing it for a long time now, and I still can't get used to that sleeping schedule. So I may not even, except to help take care of Mikey, I may be in bed this entire weekend, and hopefully playing my guitar. I played my guitar earlier before. I was playing my acoustic in the living room, and that helped cheer me up. You learn some of those nice ambient open string chords. And I don't mean the open string when you're like the old cowboy shit. I mean up there, when you're playing up there. And you're mixing notes that usually aren't mixed, and you get this beautiful, like, ambient. It's like haunting and beautiful at the same time. I was doing that. YouTube is great for that. Play these chords. Don't just play fucking, you're not Johnny Cash. Stop. So, using the mic as a pillow. Tomorrow's Friday. And I was telling the lady, I said, well, but tomorrow's Friday. I said, I have a motto for Friday. You could take this motto, I said there, and you could all take this motto too. I don't care what they throw at me on a Friday, because it's Friday and I can deal with it. And I don't know. It's going to be a weird weekend, not doing what I usually do and seeing the people I usually see. But I kind of think my stupid ass don't burn bridges. My stupid ass fucking nukes them and hulks them. So, but, like I said, I deserve that shit. So, yeah, first step has been taken. was nice. It was nice having this, even the talking to the person for 40 minutes was nice. I have a job where I talk to like fucking 30, 40 people a day. And imagine you have 30, 40 people that you talk to a day, but you're not really talking to anybody. Like I'm talking right now to all of you. If you watch this, it might as well be like you're sitting in front of me and we're talking. I don't have that. I had best friends. They're fucking gone. They stabbed me in the fucking back. And I kind of deserved that too. I wasn't, I was just drinking myself to death. And hey, they took advantage of a situation. I don't know that I would have done the same thing, but I wasn't a pleasant person to be around. How can you be pleasant when you're drinking yourself to death? No one wants to see someone that they love doing that and that doesn't want help. So I can't, I'm not angry at them. It's sad because I still love them. But I think that's you have to have a friend. And, I fuck up friendships. But, that's what Hulks do. All right. I think I fucking blabbered enough. September 2nd. 95 days later. My sobriety blog. In another 43 minutes, day 96 starts. And I'll see you then. Same bat time, same bat channel. But before then, I'm going to play a video of my fucking mattress that's killing my back. This is a shitty ass mattress killing my back that I put on the floor. Look at this shit. Look at how thick that is. And I fell this morning. I don't know if I was getting into it or out of it. But I fell on this fucking thing, landed on my face, and I'm like, well, at least I fell on the mattress. And let me show you the dryer. So here's the comforter that's drying. There's dryer part one. There's a fan right there. And here's the fan part two, which is currently on me because I'm dying. As my mother would say, it's hot and pissy outside. Thank you, Orlando. So, yes. And there's the stand for my tablet, because I listened to Spotify all night on my Bugatti speaker. This damn mattress is going to be the death of me. This is actually almost dry. Haven't had a working dryer in 8 years. Whatever. And I get to see my dryer too. I put my comforter in the washing machine twice today because, you got to keep things clean. You can't be Oscar Madison. You can't be Oscar Madison all your fucking life. When something gets stinky, put it in the washer. I would put myself in the washer, but I don't fit. Probably be fun. Sloshing around in there like a Muppet. All right, everyone. Until tomorrow, I'm praying for you. Pray for me.